Hi everyone, this is Edwin from GetNotes. We are going to modify element parameters using Dynamo. If we see that here we have a wall that has several circular opening. If I select this opening, I have a radius parameter that I can change manually. But now we are going to learn how we can change that in Dynamo. Similarly, I also have these blocks that I can change the thickness. Let's say this I want to change the thickness to 200. Okay, let's open Dynamo. Okay, I'm going to create a new script. I'm going to use South View as my working area. Now I'm going to add the select model elements. Okay, so if I want to select all this circular opening, it's easier for me to hide the wall first. So let's select the wall and press H twice. And now I can activate the selection and select all of this opening. Okay, I have now uh, 32. Uh, so this is correct, and I can restore the uh, view again by pressing HR to reset the hidden element. Okay, as we see before that the parameter that we want to change is radius. So we can use set parameter by name. Okay. Okay, the elements, of course, these are the circular opening. It requires a string. You can see that the parameter name should be string, and so we can add string node. Now we can type the parameter name is radius. Okay, so I can put it here. So yes, of course, we can add number as the radius. Like for example, I put 300. Now I can change all of these radius to um, 300, 100. But this is not what we want right now. We want to give them all random radius. So let's go to map function. We have several random generator here. This is what we want. We want the random list. So we want to modify all 32 radius at once. So the amount of uh, the items is 32. So put 32. Okay, let me select this. Control C, Control V to copy that. The smallest radius I want to be 50, which is 5 centimeters, and the maximum is 400. Okay, for the seed, let's just give it 1. Okay, now we have all random numbers 32 random numbers. Okay, this number is still in decimal number. We want to round the numbers first. Now let's just use this one. This is the number, and for the digit is 0. Now we can see that we have all integer number. This is what we are going to use as the radius. So let's connect this to here. Okay, now we can see that we already have the random radius. Let's check it in this view. Okay, Dynamo is not available in the current context. So if you want to change the value again, you need to go back to south. Let's change the seed number to 2. Okay, you can see that it's going to give us different pattern. 3, 4. Okay, let's say that I prefer the 3. Okay, so this is my wall opening with random diameters, random radius now. Okay, now let's try to do the same thing with the other wall. We have this brick and we know the parameters that we are going to change is thickness. So let's change this to manual first, and I want to copy this, Control C and Control V. Okay, let's just remove this and disconnect this. I'm going to add one more select model elements. Okay, the reason is I don't want to get confused with this. So I'm going to go back to south. Okay, let's select, let's change this back to automatic so we can click the model element. Sorry, I need to hide the wall first. I don't want to select this wall when running the Dynamo. So I select that and press H twice, H. You can see now that the element is hidden. Let's select them. Okay, we have now 200 elements. So we need to change this to 200. And again, here, let's check the, yeah, we have the 200 random numbers. Now we can connect this. Okay. Oh, sorry. This one still radius. We need to change this to thickness. Okay, let's see the result in 3D view. Okay, now we have this pattern. Okay, let's try to change the seed number. Okay, we can have like this. This one is another alternative. Okay, maybe 400 is too yeah, too thick, so let's change this to 100 maybe, and this one is probably 10. So you can see that you can experiment with the numbers and immediately see the result without having to change everything manually. So let's again explore this. Thickness change to 250. Okay, maybe, yeah, I think it's okay, it's good enough. Let's close this. Okay, let me save this one. Let's name this element parameters. Okay, close it. Now you can see that we have nice two walls with random radius and also random thickness like this.